लेकिन जब ये बोलेगी और जब ये कॉन्फिडेंस इसका बोलेगा ना, तो यकीन मानिए जितने लोग लाइव देख रहे हैं ना, वो सब लोग चौंक जाएंगे। दिस इज वॉट दिस गर्ल्स ब्रिंग्स आउट टू दिस टेबल, एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले I would like to invite one of the dynamic and the most promising girls who could have the next chances of doing something extraordinary. Please put your hands together for a speech and please welcome Akshara. Please, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए।
हेलो। टूटे हुए सपने की कौन सुने सिसकी, अंतर को चीर यथा पलकों पर ठिठकी। हार नहीं मानूंगी, रार नहीं ठानूंगी, काल के कपाल पर लिखती मिटाती हूँ, गीत नया गाती हूँ। यह हार एक विराम है, जीवन महासंग्राम है। तिल तिल मिटूंगी लेकिन दया की भीख मैं लूंगी नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगी नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगी नहीं। क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में। संघर्ष जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही, वरदान मांगूंगी नहीं। चाहे हृदय को ताप दो, चाहे मुझे अभिश्राप दो, कुछ भी करो कर्तव्य पथ से किंतु भागूंगी नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगी नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगी नहीं। Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, Director, teachers, parents, and my all dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We all have gathered here to celebrate our 77th Republic Day of India. As we all know, India celebrates its Republic Day every year on 26th January from 1950 because at this day India was declared as a Republic country. On this particular day, Constitution of India came into force. After the independence from the British rule in 1947, India didn't have its own constitution. So, on August 28, 1947, a draft committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be completed. On 26 January 1950, our constitution came into force. Since then, we celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. Republic means people living in India has the supreme power in the country, and only the Indian peoples has the right to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction for India. Republic Day is not only a celebration but also a pride and honor that our constitution came into force today. We are living in freedom without any pressure in our society. The credit goes to the brave soldiers, martyrs and the freedom fighters in the freedom struggle. So we must not forget their sacrifices. We should be responsible citizens of India and take all decisions in the country development and progress. Let us pledge to do all possible efforts to make our country free from problems like terrorism, corruption, inequality, poverty, etc. And we all have the same feelings and emotions for our loving country. Before ending this speech, I want to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feelings about Republic Day. And I'm proud to be an Indian with this. But at last, I want to end this speech with a Hindi poem. तो हे भारत के शेरों, अब तुम महाकाल का ध्यान करो, चलो जीत लो अब तुम दुनिया को, रणचंडी का आह्वान करो, बहती नदियां की धार बनो, गुल की रक्षा में घार बनो, तुम प्यार बनो, अंगार बनो, यलगार बनो, ललकार बनो, हुंकार बनो, टंकार बनो, फिर से वर्षे की धार बनो, जो वक्ष फाड़ दे दुश्मन का, वो राणा की तलवार बनो, वो राणा की तलवार बनो। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
Wow. The only one word which comes to my mind is exceptional. She started with Hindi and such a beautiful voice modulation she has in English, and apart from that she ended with a beautiful poem. This is what the confidence brings. एक बार इतनी जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए ना। Salute to your teachers, salute to your parents, and salute to the place where you are studying. एक बार तालियां होनी सच में।